welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to grow on Instagram. First of all is you need to pick a niche, okay? A niche is basically what you're going to what your page is going to be working or posting or what you're going to do on Instagram. Top 3 niches that I recommend is relationships, or how to become how to get wealth, how to be wealthy, or health. One of those 3 niches. If you want to use any other niche, you can go with it, but I'm just telling you the top 3. Another thing is that you need to have your Instagram on a professional account mode. Basically, how you can do that is go onto Instagram and go onto your profile, then the hamburger menu on the top right corner, settings, and then after that you're going to go onto your account, okay, and after that you're going to scroll all the way down to switch to professional account. Okay, now the next thing is that you need to use Reels. Use Reels. It's one of the most popular. It's one of the most popular places on Instagram, and Instagram pushes hard on Instagram Reels. You can get really popular with it, and you can utilize it, so you can get much more popular. Okay. Another thing that you need to do is that you need to contact other bigger pages that can basically promote you or sponsor you. So let's say you have 5,000 followers, and then you want your gaming page to get more followers. You can head on to a bigger page which has more followers, and pay them after you have a little. Of course, you're going to have some budget, and pay them so they can promote your channel, so they can promote your page, so you can get more followers. So this is basically the top 3 tips that you can use to grow on Instagram. But make sure the most important one is to use Reels. Reels is the best way to get more followers on Instagram. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll